I never thought that pouring beer into chili can make such a delicious delicacy. Today, I will share the recipe of pickled chili with everyone. It will be very crisp and refreshing. First, prepare the chili picked from the tree and cut it according to the instructions. Be careful not to check it through him, then put it into the basin, add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of alkali noodles, then add free tap water to wash him, empty the water, then boil water in the pot and put the clean chili mouth after opening it for 30 seconds. Take out Liangnyang's chili. The surface is very tempered and very soft, and then use a toothpick to prick him into a small mouth. Praise for this chili bowl. They use a toothpick to pierce it for him. I can use it. Take a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of Chinese pepper, and then put a bottle of beer that is about to expire, pour it into the bottle, pickle the peppers with beer, hot and sour, crisp, cover and put it in a cool and dry place to marinate. 7749. You can eat chili in just one day, wow, plus you have to do it like me, oh my god, it's really delicious. In the end, it's still the same sentence. Follow me, and you can find me when you cook. Thank you.